Good evening, ma'am. I'm Jude Silvano, and this is my video discussion, and I'm going to discuss the historical development and evolution of firearms sa forensic. And the stages of development of man's weapons. Stones, clubs, knives, spear, darts, slingshots or hurled objects, bows and arrows, crossbows, guns, missiles. Sa 10th century, black powder is thought to have originated in China, where it was being used in fireworks and signals. Ang kuang ko no, ang black powder is iya gayud gigikanan ini sa China. Paggagamit nila sa China sa fireworks tapos sa signals. 10th and 12th centuries, the Chinese developed the Wuqiang or pasabot na fire lance, a short-range protogun that channeled the explosive power of gunpowder through a cylinder, initially a bamboo tube. Itong lang in fire lance or Wuqiang, a short-range protogun na kung sila nakachannel sa explosive power ng gunpowder through sa pagi ng cylinder, initially a bamboo tube. 13th century development of firearms followed the invention of gunpowder in Western Europe. Ang nakafollow sa ng pag-imbento sa naka-develop sa gunpowder is in sa 13th century is an Western Europe, and development of firearms followed the ng gunpowder sa late 13th centuries hand cannons in China. Sa late 13th century na discover sa hand cannon sa China. 1313 gunpowder as a propellant for a projectile. And gunpowder is propellant din para sa projectile. Sa 14,000s, the matchlock gun appears. Early 16th century improvements include the wheel lock mechanism, in which a spinning wheel against the metal plate showed spark into pan holding priming. An early 16th century is an improvements naka-include na daan wheel lock mechanism sa which is spinning wheel against sa metal plate showered spark sa pan naka-hold siya sa priming powder. Early 17th century, flintlock has a flint released by the trigger mechanism that strikes a steel plate to shower spark into pan filled with powder. And sa early 17th century, ang flintlocks is may iya ko no flint release by gamit ang trigger mechanism na mo strike sa steel plate para mo spark sa dito sa pan filled with powder. Flintlock, the 17th century's paper box pistol used flintlock systems and their barrels had to be rotated by hand. And sa 17th century sa flintlock, gamit ang flintlock system sa barrels para mo rotate an sa flintlock system gamit ra ng kamot. 1835 revolvers took off when Samuel Colt produced his versions. An 1835 revolvers tagkuha kay bali ni Samuel Colt na pagka-produce ni dyan ita kagaling na versions. 1862 by Richard Jordan Gatling. The Gatling gun used hand crank mechanism to shoot rapid fire. And sa 1862 sa Richard Jordan Gatling, ang Gatling gun kuno is naggamit siya ng hand crank mechanism para mo paboto siya ng diretso ng bali rapid fire mayiglaw na machine gun. 19th century assault rifle. During World War II, revolver Gatling gun firearm is an instrument used for the propulsion of projectile by means of the expansive forces gases coming from burning powder. And sa 18th centuries, an assault fires kuno during sa World War II is revolver, gatling gun, firearm as an instrument used to gamiton kibali sa propulsion sa projectile by na mga expansive na mga force gases gikan sa burning gunpowder. Legal definition, Republic Act 10591. Firearms refers to any handled or portable weapon, whether a small arm or light weapon that expels or is designed to expel a bullet, shot, slug, missile, or any projectile which is discharged by means of expensive force of gases from burning gunpowder or other form of combustion or any similar instrument or implement. Ini sa legal definition sa Republic Act 10591, firearms naka-refer sa mga handle yun, mabit-bit na bitaw ng mga armas or mga portable weapons such as 45 or 38 mga etc. Yung mga gagmay na mga kuan, sila mga maka expels or designed to expel a bullet nun bala, maka shoot gihapon, slug, missile or any projectile which is naka-discharge siya by means of expansive forces of gases from gikan sa burning gunpowder or form para sa any form of combustion or in bisan na similar instrument or implement. The barrel, frame or receiver is considered a firearm. Ang barrel, sila ang frame or receiver sa isa ka frame or receiver na tag-consider nato na isa ka armas. Major components of firearms, isa diri ang frame. Frame is the metal or polymer housing of the handgun which holds all its other parts. Ang frame or metal polymer housing is an handgun na nakahawid gibali sa tanan parts ng isa ka firearms. It is summoned up as the body of the gun and is made up of the grip and trigger guard. Sa minsan nakatag-summon sa minsan para kibali sa ng body sa isa ka armas, tapos siyan gamit ng grip tapos trigger guard sa isa ka firearm. Ang the grip is the part of the pistol that shooter holds. Grip yung handle gibali sa armas, siya tawag na grip. It has two sections, the front strap and the back strap. Duha ka section sa gihapon ang grip, may front strap, may back strap. In semi-auto handguns, it houses the magazine which is inserted through the bottom opening known as the magazine well. Trigger guard, a protective loop that surrounds the trigger to prevent the trigger from being accidentally pulled. Yung trigger guard na kibali sa protective loop kibali sa nakasurround sa trigger para ma-prevent nan pag trigger sa isa ka trigger guard na dili ma-pulled nimo nan accidentally. It can be circular or rectangular. Magazine release, the button or other mechanism of a semi-auto pistol which allows the operator to remove the magazine. A drop-free magazine release will completely eject the magazine when engaged. May muna pabuto, automatic na din siya mo pansak na kuhan. Barrel is the tube the bullet passes through during ignition. Ang barrel, siya kibali nang mulabas mo agi ang bullet. Pag ignite nimo ng pagkablit, ngadto mo agi ang bullet sa barrel. The more time propellant gases will have to exert their energy against the bullet to produce a faster muzzle velocity. Yung two types, bore tapos rifling. The interior surface of barrel, ang interior surface ng bore, dun siya sa gawas kibali ng isa ka barrel. And rifling lands on grooves which rotate the barrel to grant it gyroscopic stability and better accuracy. Ang sa rifling, ang balance yan ng rifling and grooves. Itun sa ilawom kibali ng isa ka barrel, yon saya kibali sa galaong. Yung grand and gyroscopic stability para sa dayaw na accuracy ng pagboto. Muzzle, the front part of the barrel where the bullet exit the barrel. Amin nandun ba ang muzzle, amin yun sa gawas sa tumoy ng isa ka barrel yun. Ang anak mo gawas yan an bullet. Chamber, the cavity at the back end of the barrel where the cartridge inserts prior or ignition. Chambering around means you have made cartridge ready to fire. I mean, an chamber, pag na chambering around, I mean, ang pasabot na pag yung naikuan ang cartridge, pasabot ready to fire na gayud isa ka firearm. Kamu ma'am. Thank you.